Okay, this is the situation as it stands. You don't need to look at me much. I'm not the point of the deal. Here it is. That's my new greenhouse. It's almost finished. But one of the things I have to do is I have to move this manifold right here. And all these hoses that you see, they run all over the place. This was all temporary because I wasn't sure what I was doing. Anyway, all of that's going to have to go inside of this circle. This circle, by the way, all this blockwork that you see here, was originally to protect the swimming pool that was in here, because dogs being dogs and being destructive buggers, they tended to mess stuff up. I wonder what that is when it's home. That's interesting. Alright, anyway. We'll figure that out later on. So, anyway. One of the many things that I have to do soon, very soon, matter of fact, may start on it in just a minute here. I have to finish burying that hose you see that runs over there, that has that piece of white coming out of the end of it. We're going to change that from there to inside of here, and it's going to come over and feed this trough, which will then have a whole bunch of plants on it. As you can see, the trough is not cleaned yet. That's going to happen pretty quick too. One thing at a time. So, I think the first thing that we'll do, oh yeah, the plants that I brought in here already seem to be doing quite well. They're happy. The temperature in here is probably 20-25 degrees cooler than it is outside. You can almost see the difference, which I really like. So anyway, now I've got to make one or two minor decisions here, and there's one of them right there. The easiest way to fix this is to do it right there. So we're going to go right through here. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to find a spot to set you, hopefully, out of the sun and out of harm's way. There's a raven around here somewhere who's got some kind of a bead on this camera. So that's going to be your view for a few minutes. There, that should do. And a little bit of down view there. Mr. Trenching Shovel here. Yeah, that's what she's saying now. Fall down then. Ah, come on. You don't want to rock that size in there. This stuff is pretty flexible. It won't tolerate that. Here in a little while, I'll be adding some paving stones over the top of this stuff. So, with any luck, it'll all. And that sound you just heard was that raven that's been trying to find a way to steal my camera. Little bugger keeps flying over the place and looking at it. He's determined, but hopefully I won't lose the camera to him. And I do realize that looking at the back of me is not as much fun as it could be. We're all grateful for that. There's that done. Now, let's get you come over here like that. What I need is a brick or two. That'll do. For now, that'll do. And the end result of that little adventure was to bring that hose in there. And we're going to run it all the way down until it comes to the backside of this trough, where it'll go in there and feed that float. And then we'll take these exotic looking baskets here and put all kinds of plants in there. I have a ton of plants waiting for transplant. Anyway, and my tomato plant doesn't know what it wants to do. It's out of the wind now, and it's getting more water than it knows what to do with. So we'll see. But every time you move one of these buggers around, it makes them uncomfortable for a while. They have to have time. Okay, so there's one problem solved. And the next one is that one there. And I'm gonna make a decision on that pretty quick. Matter of fact, I think we'll start working on it right now.